Are you considering buying a new home versus an old home and wondering what the pros and cons are? That's what we're going to be discussing today in this video. Hi, I'm Zeke. I'm Derek. We're with Tanner Realty. We're a real estate brokerage in Central Arkansas, and this channel is all about educating you about real estate.
Derek, why are new homes so dang expensive?
Well, there's a lot of costs involved. You're buying brand new. You ever gone to a car lot and looked at the brand new cars? Big sticker, very expensive.
One of the reasons why new construction is more expensive is because everything's new. So one of the benefits of buying something new is more than likely nothing's going to go out for 5 to 10 years. You've got a new roof, you've got a new HVAC, you've got a new hot water heater,
New plumbing,
new electrical. Everything's new. So are there some additional costs? Is it a little more expensive? Yes. But if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of extra cash sitting around to fix things, it could be your best option. So with that being said, the cons of new construction. A lot of times in new construction, you may be a little bit further out, or you may have to pay a really big premium to get new construction in the city. The other factor is you're going to continue to be competing with new construction. If you buy in a subdivision that's just getting started, you might be competing with new construction for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, which can make it a little more difficult to sell. It's kind of like when you drive that new car off the lot, you may not be able to get exactly what you just bought it for, because now somebody's lived in the home. Now, Dirk, smack me with the older homes. Hit me with it.
So with an older home, some things to think through are obviously that home is older. The HVAC is older, the roof may be older. You've got older plumbing and electrical, older appliances, older doorknobs. So more than likely your upkeep and your maintenance costs on that older home is going to be much more than that newer home, just due to the fact of its age.
Smack me with a 10 grand AC unit and that'll really tighten up the sphincter for a few days.
Yeah, definitely.
It sucks. The good news is though, if you're buying an older home, there are some serious benefits. A lot of times it's closer to whatever you need to go to, closer to your work, closer to your school, whatever the case may be. The other benefit is a lot of times, if you're buying in a good area, a lot of times those older homes may hold their value a little bit better or appreciate faster because they might be in a more desirable area.
One thing to think about as well with an older home, maybe it's not updated, but it's in an area you like, is it may not be as expensive as the new construction. So your payment may be a little lower, however your trade-off is. You may have some more costs in the next 5 years because the home is older.
Personally, I like older homes because they have a little bit more character. A lot of times when you buy in a new construction area, most homes are pretty much all the same unless you get into a really expensive custom neighborhood. Older homes in older neighborhoods, typically, if you go down a road, most of them every home on the road might be slightly different. You also have varying degrees of style and finish out. Some homes might be finished out really nice and some aren't. So you just get to play with the price, because you might be able to buy one that's not redone and then you can redo it to the style you want it to be in. So overall, there's a lot of pros and cons to new construction and older homes. It just depends what type of lifestyle you're looking for. A real estate agent can help you kind of narrow down what you're looking for and what your needs may be.
If you don't have an agent looking out for your best interest in your local market, we can connect you with one for free. Go down in the description, click that link. We'll be in touch.